Hey man, so we're gonna do the review on these shoes right here. Oh wait, no, I wasn't here for that video.
Yeah, you missed that video. What about?
Oh wait, was I supposed to be in this video? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that one too.
Wait, what about? Was I in this video? Was I in? Oh man. Dang. You win some and lose some, man.
But in this video,
pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
yo, before we really get into this thing, man, we want to thank y'all for continuing to rock with us, man. Make sure you rock the bell, so make sure you get our notifications, man. And if you haven't already, man, sub to the channel, man. I haven't mentioned this in a couple of weeks, man, but when we hit 5K, man, we are going to do another giveaway, man. So y'all tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to sub to the channel, man. Let's get this thing to 5K if we can, man. If we can't, we can't. But I'd like to. How about you?
Hey. Whoa.
So let's get into it. YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man.
Shaky.
You rocking the whole joint. Whatever, man. Whatever, man.
Boy, if you don't. The camera hit the. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, so listen, man. Today we are bringing you something special, man. These things do release on the 13th. Hold up. I got backup today, man.
Yes, 13th.
These release on the 13th.
At 10 o'clock in the morning.
Today is what? 4th?
Yes, no, 3rd. Today's 3rd. Jigga's birthday is tomorrow on the 4th.
Today is April 3rd, man. So this is
super duper early.
Yeah, super early, man. So shout out to the plug, man. As always.
Always showing love.
But these things, man, are dope. In my opinion. My opinion is different than most. So let's just get straight into the shoe, man. Can you read that?
Yeah, it says Austin made this shoe back in '98.
Word up.
That's crazy.
So these are the Air Max 98 OAGS, man.
Girl size.
OAGS.
Girl size.
And
girl size.
So the OA, I can tell you right now, stands for On Air, as you can see on the box.
Because we're on air right now.
Yeah.
We're live.
And do you know what the GS stands for?
Girl size.
No, it doesn't stand for girl size. It doesn't stand for grade school. It doesn't stand for G shit.
Get some.
Get some. None of that, man. It stands for Gabrielle Serrano, man. She is the lucky contestant, man. They had like a Nike focus group of people come in New York City, man. Like, I don't know how many people they brought in, but they let them all design.
All design.
They let them all.
We let them all design.
They let them
We
all
let them
design
all
their
design.
own shoe. They let them all design their own shoe, man. And this was her creation, man. She designed this shoe. She chose the 98 silhouette. And I'm gonna let Austin read a little snippet of what she said about the shoe, man.
All right, so let's go back to high school when I used to read. Serrano chose an Air Max 98 and called it a La Mezcla, right? La Mezcla.
Mezcla.
Yeah, which is Spanish for mixture. I knew I wanted the shoe to highlight the diversity of my community. She says of the concept. My design is about the people who make NYC what it is. Through colors and materials that represent different skin complexions, the Statue of Liberty, the concrete jungle, and the water surrounding New York City.
So there's a whole lot of meaning in this shoe, man. We're gonna get into this shoe right now, man. We're gonna go through this guy. Opening up the box. We got this paper and it's got all of the cities. So they did this not only in New York City, they did this in London, they did this in Seoul, Paris, Tokyo.
It looks like TYO.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but it said that.
So all of those cities are represented in this paper, man. It's natural light. I don't know if I feel it or not. So anyway, man, let's get into the shoe. First and foremost, man, there was also a card in here. And this card reads On Air with some longitude and latitude numbers there. And I'm sure those are the longitude latitudes for New York City. And on the back it reads, I hope when you wear these sneakers it feels like you have a little piece of New York with you. And remember to walk with love in your heart for all people. And it's got her signature, Gabrielle, aka Queen Leo. So she does go by Queen Leo. I'll pop a picture up of what they have on the sneakers app as far as this shoe here. What's your thoughts on the sneaker, man?
First off, if you ever have an icy sole, you sold me. I mean, that's I'm gonna be honest with you. Icy soles to me are just like, just off rip, just an automatic buy.
So hearing her description of what she wanted to do with this shoe, man, it all makes sense, right? So you've got the blue
of the sea
inside the inside the midsole here,
the,
which represents the water, okay,
that surrounds it.
And then you've got this material which represents the concrete jungle.
It's like scratched up leather
that wraps all the way around on the 98 silhouette. And then you've got all of these
different lights,
browns and dark browns and lights and, you know, whites and everything else, man. And I think that represents all of the colors of the different nationalities that, you know, represent New York, which is a melting pot of everything.
And then on the inside she has her signature on it, on this one.
Oh, word.
And then on the,
she does has that on both. It says Queen Leo.
And on the tongue she has a star. Is that the North Star?
You can read that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that says Queen Leo.
What is this? Is this the North Star?
It's a star. I don't know.
Look, we ain't no astrologists now. Don't look at me. I'm taking astrology next year.
You got this cool little design on the pull tab, man. You've got a spare pair of laces in here. As you can see, one lace came blue and one lace came green.
Yeah, you want to see the sole? This is the sole. It looks like almost like the world, right?
Well, that's probably New York City, man. That's probably with all of the islands and boroughs and.
Or it could be tied to, like, what if all of these have the same sole because it's over the world? It's like of the world shoe. Maybe.
I don't know. I think that's New York City.
Did you show the longitude, latitude thing?
It does have longitude, latitude here on this side.
I believe that's New York City.
Which is pretty dope. The only other shoe that I know that has that were the Meuniers, which they had it really small, but this shoe has it really big. A lot of detail in this shoe, man. I'm feeling this shoe. I really am. As you can see, the sole is translucent, like he was saying.
It's icy, man. If you ever got an icy sole, just rock the hell out of it.
It's a 98, man.
Shoes are meant to be worn. So if you see an icy sole, I don't care if it's raining, none of that. You always see me with an icy sole, dog.
I like the shoe, man.
On the aglet, it says La Mezcla.
On that one. This one doesn't say anything.
Yeah, well, on mine, I'm special.
So on the green lace, it says La Mezcla. It's dope, man. It's definitely a dope shoe. Like I say, they release on the 13th.
Yep.
So,
girl size.
Hopefully, man. I don't know how the drop's gonna go. I don't know if they're gonna be in
just sneakers,
Foot Lockers and Foot Actions and Champs, or if they're gonna be relegated to tier 0 stores and sneakers. But like I always say, man, do your due diligence, man. If they are on those sites, man, make sure you have your apps all up and prepared.
Yeah.
And
good luck.
Enter any raffles that you can enter. And good luck, man. Good luck. They didn't have any other laces in that guy, right?
No, that was it.
Nothing else about the box. So that's it, man. We got these guys in the building. Yao Ming. Got this guy in the building. Where he been?
Pole vaulting. Jumping at the gym, no Sean Kemp.
So them guys got the longitude, latitude on both shoes, by the way.
Yeah, both of them. Both them guys.
Yeah. I hit y'all off with an on fit, man. We'll put an on feet in right here, man. So you can check them out. that is it, man. So what are we calling these things, man?
The La Mezcalas.
The Mezcalas, the On Airs, the...
Which means the mixture. It's a mixture.
Yeah, the NYs.
The NY mixtures.
The NY La Mezcalas, aka the Queen Leos. I don't know what they're gonna call these things, but just whatever you call them, make sure you call them dope.
My boy Leo made this.
Yeah. His queen.
His queen. Hey.
So that is it, man. Dad, son, Cams.
Hello. I gotta take this. I'm sorry. Yeah. Leo. Hey, I'll call you back. Bye.